My name is Dominic Lally, and I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Machine Vision Applications at Zebra Technologies Canada. As many of you already know, Zebra Technologies acquired Matrox Imaging last year to expand on its machine vision platform and to better serve its clients looking for automated vision solutions. Today, we're very excited to showcase some of our vision tools with the help of our friends Integrys, our national Canadian distributor for machine vision.
And I'm Garrett Renders, the Integrys account manager for Southwestern Ontario. As a Canadian distributor for Zebra Technologies' industrial machine vision and pick scanner platforms, our role is to help you develop the optimized vision solution for your applications using either the Design Assistant flowchart-based integrated development environment or the Aurora Imaging Library software development kit. Zebra's modular or hardware-agnostic approach provides users the ability to maximize the performance of their vision systems through selecting the right technology such as cameras, optics, and illumination for the application, and Integrys is here to help you find that technology. The Integrys machine vision demo kits are based around the Design Assistant IDE. We built two demo kits, one that features the EV6 Vision Controller PC and another that features the Iris Series GTR Smart Camera. These interactive demonstrations show how Design Assistant handles blob analysis, blob-based metrology, geometric model finding, offset angle measurement, and image processing using a photometric stereo. In addition to the Zebra software, we support these demonstrations using a backlight, a 4-segmented ring light, optics that are optimized for these inspections. This interactive demonstration will be on display at the Emerging Technologies Conference at Caesars Windsor on Thursday, November 2nd, and we hope to see you there. These kits are also built for travel, and we'd be happy to demonstrate them at your facility. You can book an appointment by contacting our sales team either over the phone at 1-888-509-8455, via email at clientservice@integrys.com, or contact your account manager to book an appointment. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you soon.